안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make non-spicy soft tofu stew, 맑은 순두부찌개. I already made a video of spicy soft tofu stew recipe, but this one is non-spicy version. So if you're scary about spicy thing, but you want to taste soft tofu, then this one is good for you. Of course, I love spicy soft tofu stew. Actually, it's my favorite, but the non-spicy version is also very attractive. Especially, it's good to eat on an empty stomach in the morning. It's warm, mild, and very soft. Usually, Korean stew is spicy and salty, but this one is not salty at all. So sometimes I only eat this stew without rice. It's a great simple meal because it's rich in protein and fiber. Okay, then let's set the table. First, let's make a broth. I'm going to use anchovy and kelp packet. Put this packet into cold water for 5 minutes and bring to a boil for 10 minutes. After that, take the packet out. If you boil it for too long, the taste can be bitter, so take it out after the proper time. During the time, let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the zucchini in a half moon shape. Prepare the washed Enoki mushroom and separate it. In a bowl, beat the egg well. Put zucchini into boiling broth first. Then prepare the soft tofu. Usually it's packed like this. So cut it in half and put tofu in a pot. Mash it into small chunks with spoon. If the pieces are too small, the soup may become murky, so cut them into appropriate sizes. And add Enoki mushroom. After that, add soup soy sauce, fish sauce, and minced garlic. Season with salt if necessary. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. When it boils, pour egg along the edge. Put green pepper and red pepper if you want. Boil for 5 minutes. Okay, the stew is done. We call this pot 뚝배기, oven pot. It retains heat and does not cool off as soon as removed from the heat. The stew is still very hot, so I need to take it on my plate. Yeah, it makes my soul and my stomach healed. Very mild and soft. It doesn't have any strong taste. And the soft tofu has the taste of just itself. It's very savory. is gone. Ingredients are very softly cooked and the texture goes well with soft tofu. Plus, the soup is very light and clean. I love it. Today, I made malgeun 순두부찌개. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.